Imagine this scene. A 30-story skyscraper begins to rise before your eyes, not in years, not in months, but in mere hours. The rumble you hear isn't from a crowd of workers with hammers and hard hats. It's the symphony of machines, autonomous giants, humming in perfect rhythm, guided by artificial intelligence and laser precision. No blueprints taped to walls, no chaotic shouting across scaffolding. Just steel arms, robotic swarms, and super-intelligent control systems shaping a skyline with mathematical elegance. This is not science fiction. This is the birth of tomorrow's cities, happening right now. Around the globe, from the skyscraper forests of Dubai to the fast-growing mega-hubs of China, from robotic testbeds in Europe to high-tech factories in Japan, machines are taking construction into an era that will make today's methods look prehistoric. Today, we'll uncover the 10 mind-bending machines already rewriting the rules of architecture and engineering. 1. Colossal concrete printers. The new architects. Let's start with the giant concrete printers turning design into reality faster than anyone thought possible. Dubai has become a proving ground for this revolution. Contour Crafting Corporation, a pioneer in large-scale 3D printing, recently printed an entire 2-story office building in just 17 days, a job that would normally take 6 months. But this isn't just a nozzle squirting out concrete. This machine is a self-contained construction factory. As it moves, it lays structural walls, embeds electrical conduits, sets plumbing, and even positions window frames, all with millimeter-level accuracy. The result? Perfectly smooth walls that require no finishing and cost 60% less than conventional construction. And it's scaling up. In China, Winsun has created printers capable of 40-story structures, mixing recycled industrial waste with high-strength fibers for concrete that's stronger than steel-reinforced blends. Think about it. Entire skyscrapers printed like you'd print a poster, using greener materials and cutting waste by nearly 70%. 2. The Hadrian X, bricklaying at machine speed. If concrete printers are the new architects, the Hadrian X robot is the master mason. Developed in Australia, this autonomous bricklayer can place 1,000 bricks per hour. A human mason, roughly 500 bricks in a full 8-hour day. Hadrian does it in 30 minutes. Mounted on a mobile truck platform, it uses laser guidance and computer vision to place each brick with millimeter precision, creating walls so straight they seem drawn with a ruler. Weather delays? None. Fatigue? Zero. Companies using Hadrian report 40% faster project completion and labor cost savings of up to 70%. Picture neighborhoods rising overnight as this robot drives in, deploys its arm, and builds entire homes while human crews focus on design and finishing touches. 3. AI-guided concrete pumps, reaching the impossible. Skyscrapers don't just need bricks, they need miles of concrete delivered to dizzying heights. Enter the AI-guided concrete pump, a towering system that shoots concrete hundreds of feet upward while adapting in real time. Armed with wind sensors, vibration detectors, and machine learning algorithms, these pumps compensate for sway, adjust pressure, and place concrete exactly where it's needed, even on 60-story towers and heavy winds. The benefit is staggering. Zero wasted mix, perfect structural integrity, and the ability to pour in conditions that would shut down traditional crews. Skyscraper projects once halted by weather can now race ahead without pause. 4. Swarm drones, the skyborne builders. Now lift your eyes to the sky. Swarm robotics is no longer a laboratory dream. Construction drones, working together like a digital hive mind, are taking on tasks too dangerous or too slow for humans. A Swiss engineering team recently deployed 20 coordinated drones to coat a massive bridge with protective sealant. 4 hours of work that would have required human crews 3 full days and extensive scaffolding. But the magic isn't just speed. These drones learn from each other in real time. Their machine learning network continuously analyzes every flight path and material drop, optimizing the entire swarm mid-air. Each mission makes the next faster, safer, and more precise. Imagine a night sky glittering with intelligent drones welding, painting, even laying lightweight components. A ballet of technology transforming construction into performance art. 5. Autonomous material movers, logistics perfected. Every construction manager knows that delays often start with materials arriving late or in the wrong order. Enter the autonomous material handling fleet, robotic carriers and lifters linked directly to digital project management systems. These machines navigate job sites on their own, hauling steel beams, massive panels, and delicate glass sections with perfect timing and placement. Japanese pilot projects show 90% fewer material handling delays and an 80% drop in workplace injuries. By removing the chaotic dance of forklifts, cranes, and manual labor, these systems allow human teams to concentrate on creative problem solving while the robots execute the heavy, dangerous moves with pinpoint accuracy. 6. Autonomous excavation bots, seeing before they dig. Excavation has always been the gamble of construction. You break ground and pray you don't hit an unexpected utility line, contaminated soil, or an archaeological surprise. That's changing with autonomous excavation robots equipped with ground-penetrating radar, GPR, real-time soil chemistry sensors, and 3D LiDAR mapping. Companies like Built Robotics have already automated heavy earth-moving equipment, converting traditional excavators and bulldozers into self-driving diggers that can work 24/7. But the new generation goes further. They scan subsurface profiles before a single scoop, overlaying data onto a digital twin of the site so the machine literally knows where it's safe to cut. These bots use AI-driven site intelligence to adapt their digging patterns to soil stratification, moisture content, and hidden infrastructure. The benefits are profound. Excavation accuracy improves by up to 70%, utility strike risks plummet, and project delays caused by unknown subsurface conditions virtually disappear. When a machine can detect an old sewer line or a contaminated pocket of soil before work starts, you save time, money, and legal headaches. In urban environments where every utility error can cost millions, this is a seismic shift. 7. Robotic rebar systems, weaving steel with machine precision. Rebar placement is brutal, repetitive, and time-consuming. Humans crawl in tight cages, bending, tying, and aligning thousands of steel bars, work that's physically demanding and dangerous. Enter robotic rebar systems, multi-axis robotic arms, and mobile rigs that weave reinforcement cages with computer-controlled precision. These systems read BIM building information, modeling files directly, interpret complex reinforcement geometries, and execute ties with micrometer accuracy. The result is not just speed, it's structural superiority. With perfect spacing and consistent tension, concrete elements cast over robotic rebar consistently achieve higher strength and durability than manually tied counterparts. Pilot projects in Europe and Japan show rebar robots cutting labor time for reinforcement by 80 to 90%, reducing rework and human exposure to hazardous tasks. Think of parking garage columns or bridge supports fabricated with machine-perfect reinforcement in days instead of weeks. The human crews do fewer repetitive ties and instead supervise quality, maintain machines, and handle final assembly, a move up the skill ladder. 8. Modular assembly factories, building like automobile plants. If construction is to scale sustainably, we must borrow the repeatability and quality control of manufacturing. That's exactly what automated modular assembly systems do. In climate-controlled factories, robots assemble complete room modules, plug in MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing systems, and finish interiors to factory standards. The modules are then trucked to site and stacked into buildings like Lego blocks. Companies such as Factory OS, Boxable, and others, plus legacy manufacturers pivoting into modular, demonstrate that factory-built units drastically reduce on-site time. Because every component is inspected and tested in a controlled environment, defects drop, energy performance improves, and weather delays vanish. 9. On-site recycling and material processors, closing the loop. Sustainability isn't an afterthought, it's now a core design constraint. Construction waste currently represents a large slice of global solid waste, and hauling debris off-site is expensive and carbon-intensive. The new breed of on-site recycling and material processors changes the equation by transforming demolition waste into feedstock for new construction. These systems pulverize old concrete, extract rebar, sort aggregates, and produce engineered recycled materials, aggregates, fiber-enhanced binders, or even 3D printable mixes. Some plants use microwave-assisted depolymerization or chemical recycling to upcycle composites and plastics from cladding into usable components. 10. The integrated AI conductor, choreographing the machine orchestra. All these machines are individually revolutionary, but the real magic happens when they work together. That's the role of the integrated AI conductor, a cloud-edge platform that orchestrates printers, drones, robots, pumps, and factories with real-time logistics, scheduling, and quality control. If this glimpse into the cities of tomorrow fired your imagination, subscribe to Tech AI Vision for weekly deep dives into the technologies reshaping our world. Hit like if you're excited about smarter, greener cities, and drop a comment. Which machine surprised you most? The concrete printers, drone swarms, or the AI conductor? Thanks for watching, and remember, the skyline you see today may be the last skyline built the old way. The next one will be printed, flown, and orchestrated into being.